guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going through my haul closets. I'm going to be organizing my linen closet right here and our coat closet. I've been using some Dollar Tree organizational bins for the last couple of years and they've worked out really well. However, I found now the con of them is just that, yes, they hold a lot of things, it looks a lot neater, but it never stays organized. So I just want to make the space more functional. So instead of using these larger bins, I'm going to be sorting out all the items into smaller bins, which I'll show you in a minute, which are also from Dollar Tree. But this just makes it a little bit more organized because each thing gets its own little space. That way, when we pull things out and use them and put them away, you know, hopefully it allows us to stay more organized. So firstly, I'm going to start off obviously by taking everything out of the closet and assessing what I have. I do know the majority of these things in here, they are going to be getting their own bin. So I'm going to go through each box and I'm going to declutter it, throw out any trash and old products, things that I want to get rid of, and then I'm going to reorganize everything into the keep bins. Also, remember, if you go to do this for yourself for spring cleaning, make sure that you're wiping out the cabinet area as well and vacuuming any spaces and, you know, just kind of clearing it up, freshening it up for spring. And also, just as a quick little reminder here, when you're doing this, remember, no matter what space you have or what it looks like, you need to remember that you're doing this to keep your space and, you know, make it the best that it can be with what you have. You know, sometimes it's just really not practical to go spend $100 on bins for closets. You know, you just have to kind of test it out and see what's going to work first. That's why I stick to the Dollar Tree ones. I would really love to invest in a more quality basket myself. However, I haven't been able to come across one that fits the space that I have, so that's why I just converted into different smaller Dollar Tree bins. So you just got to do what's going to work for you.
You, if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So just to give you some inspiration for what I'm doing with organizing my bins, I have a bin here that's full of like extra razors. I have one here for like extra bathroom items like alcohol and eye care, like contact and glass cleaner. I have one here for like first aid, another one for like extra sick / like bandages. Then I have one specific for band-aids. I have one specific for like pedicure care, one for essential oils. I have one that has just like some summer essentials in there, like sunscreen, aloe, and chamomile lotion. One specific for like body wash and extra bar soap. And then I also ended up doing two smaller bins that are going to have like just nail polish and some other extra additional nail clippers. And so that's just what I did here for these bins. I will have a few other as far as like hygiene and home, you know, like health and hygiene are concerned. Like I'll have a few more of those with like makeup and stuff under my bathroom, but I haven't got to that just yet. But this will just carry like, you know, all the extras and essentials and keep them on hand and ready and organized. So I also took this time while I was there in the store getting these bins. I also picked up some essentials to keep on hand and fill these bins. Now the majority of this stuff was already in the closet. You've seen it was jam-packed, but I did pick up extra stuff for like first aid and bandages. I made sure that bin was pretty full. With spring and summer rolling around, we're getting ready to get outside a lot more, so I wanted to make sure we had those things on hand, especially, you know, just for preparedness altogether. And then I also have a bin here that I'm stocking with female hygiene items. I am trying to switch to a more reusable lifestyle as far as like female hygiene is concerned. I'm just trying to reduce waste in general, but I do have a lot of that stuff left on hand that I'm not just going to throw away, so I'm just keeping it in a bin, and I'm just going to have it on hand for guests and stuff. So I really needed to go through the nail polish as well. I ended up getting an excessive amount of nail polish because I used to be like an extreme couponer, and so I always got free nail polish, and so I just accumulated a lot. And Jordan just loves to paint her nails, so I pretty much keep it all on hand, and then she gets gifted some as well. So we are using just this huge circular bucket, but I figured this would be easier, and then that way she can better sort through the colors and stuff like that. So I'm switching those into these two bins and getting rid of like the old caca nail polish.
Shirt on the floor, there's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view on the window. Your lipstick's a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time counting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time.
Okay, now that this is all done, I feel like it's going to be a lot more functional. All the containers are like see-through and everything's more organized out by category, which I think will be a lot more functional. And then I have some paper towels up here. Next to that, I have my white cleaning cloth rags, and then washcloths and like hand towels. And at the very bottom, I have regular bath towels.
I just wanna get you on my grand I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
Alright guys, thanks so much for coming along with me today to clean and organize and declutter my hall closets. I'm super happy that they're organized. It was really weighing on me because I only really reorganize these about once a year. So if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you here. I post weekly videos. I apologize that this video kind of came late. As you guys know, if you follow my social media, that I've kind of been having a rough couple days, so thank you guys for being patient, and thanks to those of you that reached out to ask if I was okay. I really appreciate that. And please don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.